Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this electronic dartboard. This is the 2025 new upgraded HAL 5th LED Illuminated Numerals for adults and all other people out there too. 12 darts and replacement tips included, suitable for parties and game nights. Electronic dartboard. This is really cool because we have the innovative LED dartboard here with 34 games and 72 variants, brand new modes and classic games for endless fun. 17 exclusive light modes, dynamic moving targets for unique challenges, and perfect for parties for illuminated segments, creating an atmosphere from outer space, I think. It is a premium quality for professional darts experience. The ultra durable 11.3mm thick segments reduce the bounces and also withstand the strong throws. Target tested and durable thermoplastic materials for extreme durability. Tournament friendly darts, 12 soft tips, arrives with ergonomic handle and over 100 replacement tips included. And we have here, intelligence and fun for every type of game. We have 5 difficult levels from beginner to professionals for fair challenges. Multiplayer mode, up to 8 players are possible at the same time. That's perfect for families and parties. LCD display with automatic combining clear point tracking for exciting duels. And easy operation and flexible power supply. This is a plug and play ready to start immediately the device because we have a Type-C charging function. The battery level indicators on the display gives us up to 12 hours of operating time at a full charge. For volume level adjustable for any environment, apartment, garden and parties. And an easy installation, as you can see. We can attach it with adhesive back tape without drilling, or remounting it while drilling for even more stable hold. And then it can be ready. You can replace the darts easy peasy. We have here a premium dartboard included the darts by HAL 5th with 34 games and 7 colors. 72 variants and 7 colors of light effects, and it's possible to get this with 1 up to 8 players are possible, with nice sound effects, with Type-C charging, and plug and play, battery indicator and energy efficiency mode, and of course a simple installation process. At the 9, the numbers are clearly visible. Well, there's an LED. When the arrow hits the target, the light changes as well. Evening, in a bar, for example, or you can use it as a tournament for friends, or for relaxing in the office, of course, or we can have a play fun at home with that. We will get all what we need. This is a really good Christmas gift for our loved ones, of course. We get 100 arrowheads, a Type-C cable 2 meter. Of course, we will get the 2 adhesive tapes with a Velcro fastener. We have 12 Pro Series flights and 12 arrowheads. And of course, we will get, of course, the dartboard, of course, yeah. And then we can start immediately with that device here. Easy peasy. You can then attach this to the wall and can have fun with that. That's easy, that's cool. This is the HAL 5th electronic dartboard. This is an upgraded version of 2025. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dart Sports. Soon.
Here, 1. Keep your darts. Dartboard I. 2. 9. Remove dart.